What is this new coronavirus about?
This is nothing new. It is only an extension of coronavirus. Coronavirus, this is, anybody can define a new coronavirus. As such, nobody knows what is the coronavirus itself. Now, India has proved that coronavirus is like all other viruses. So, if necessary precautions are taken, we can even deal with this coronavirus. So, there is nothing major. India is a country which has established that the numbers has come down from 1 million to just 3 lakhs. And people are now not afraid of corona. So, nothing new. It's only a fear.
What is the likely impact on Indian stock markets?
It's a bullish impact because the higher the coronavirus, higher will be Fed releasing the stimulus. Already they have announced $13 trillion stimulus and they have spent only $2.5 trillion so far. And today also they have announced another bout of stimulus release. So that will increase the flow in India. Last 7 months, we have seen an inflow of $27 billion. And if my calculation are correct, another $33 billion is still pending. Now that money will start flowing in India. And secondly, yesterday's fall was, I believe that it was engineered because there was no depth in the market. FPI selling was just 300 crores, DI selling was 400 crores, DI buying was 400 crores. In effect, there was 100 crores buying, not selling. And Sensex 2300 points fall was not suggesting that this kind of fall can come on 100 crores buying. And there was some technical glitch at around 11:45-12. So many pending orders got cancelled. The depth was removed from the system, and somebody used that trigger for killing the market with very small amount of selling. I think it's a sabotage by Indian operators.
Plus or minus for any particular industry?
Pardon? Come again?
Any plus or minus for any particular industry?
I think commodity metal is doing extremely well globally. So metal will do well. All copper stocks, steel stocks will do well. And but I am particularly bullish on oil segment. So my particular stocks will be BPCL, HPCL. Then I am bullish on telecom. So Bharti Idea will do well. And from January, this crash should be read as a signal of mid cap and small cap rally in January. See, from January, the SEBI rules and regulations are changing again. And the October 17 circular is getting reversed. So in anticipation, a lot of mid caps and small caps have run up in December. So this correction signifies that, yes, it is a good correction in small cap and mid caps. So there will be a value buying again in small cap and mid cap in December. So stocks like UFO, Nesco, then this Motherson Sumi, Tata Motors, Bharti Airtel, IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank. I am bullish on these stocks.
So what is the fund strategy in today's situation?
Come again?
What is the mutual fund strategy in today's situation?
Mutual fund has been sitting on a huge piles of cash. See, now you look at the data from May 2020 to December 2020, $27 billion buying has taken place from FIIs. That is unprecedented. Now, if you go from the numbers from 1991 to 2020, that is a 30 years track record. Only in 2014, we had seen a buying of 98,000 crores after Narendra Modi won the election. Now, for the first time that we have seen a buying of 1,96,000 crores in last 7 months, which is massive, massive and massive. It is not comparable with any other data, not comparable with any previous data, and it's huge. Nobody will blindly buy these kind of numbers unless they know something about India. So they are betting on the reforms. They are betting on the new tax rates, that is 15%, which government has done it. They are betting on the GST. They are betting on the other reforms has been done. by the government of India, divestment, etc. So I think more flow will come in India.
So what is your
And
advice to small investors?
the biggest seller was mutual fund. So assuming that only 30,000, 40,000 crore could be assigned to retail, then I would go with the numbers that 1,50,000 crores is the cash which is generated by mutual funds in last 7 months. So any big fall happens, they will be now buyers. Now, for example, yesterday's market, so long as mutual funds were sellers, but yesterday when market fell down by 2,300 points, immediately the first positive numbers we seen from is mutual fund, 400 crores buying. Now that signifies, that gives a very good signal that whenever market will fall, mutual fund will come buyers.
Any other important point you may like to share?
Yeah.
Any
Hello?
other highlight or important point you may like to share?
I think it's a buying time. You know, one has to be cautious, but one can pick up value stocks like Hindustan Oil, UFO, Nesco, then Inos Tyro, this is a MNC company, then Motherson Sumi, Tata Motors. These are the good stock one should pick up. Tata Motors has already announced yesterday night that from 1st January they are raising prices. Now that means March quarter, if you look at from Tata Motors, it will be a super bumper. Now, if you can't calculate and buy today, you will never be able to buy that stock.
So nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.